Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's just a glove balloon hand. Today we're doing puzzles. We're starting with a snail puzzle. We start with number 1, then we go to 2. And then we get 4. We put on 5. Then we get 6 and put it on. We find 7 and put it on. And last one. 10.
Yay!
10.
10.
I want you.
Show
10.
us. Wow.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I finished the snail. Now I'm going to start with the ostrich. Here's the picture I need to do.
Okay, start.
I'm going to look at it and then I might get it. Number 1, number 2, number 3. Number 3. We did 1, 2, and 3. Now it's number 4. Now it's number 5. Now number 6. We did number 1, we did number 2, we did number 3, we did number 4, we did number 5, we did number 6. What number is going to go next?
7.
Good job. 7. Now
8.
8. And then what number?
9.
Good job. 9. Now what number?
10.
Yeah, 10.
Ostrich complete.
Ostrich complete. I finished the ostrich. I'll start with the kangaroo. We need to copy this picture.
Good.
Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, and number 8. Wait, number 9, then 8. So we go with 9, then we go to 8. Because there's 9 here and 8 here.
Okay.
Number 10.
Oh, this was so quick.
The iguana.
Okay. Can you show us the photo first? Okay, it's a big one. Are
That's
they
so
numbers
big.
or letters?
Letters.
Okay, from A to
Z. A, B. Where is C? C, D, A, B, C, D are done. Now we're going to find E and put it on. E, F,
G.
G, H. Where is H?
Great.
I. Where is I? I. Are you coming?
J.
Where's J?
Maybe this one.
J.
K.
K. What letter goes next?
L.
L. Good job.
M.
M. Where is M? Here.
N. O.
I did from A to Q. R. Where is S? T.
U. V. W. X.
X.
Y.
What letter goes next?
Z. The iguana is complete.
It's complete. The iguana is finished. It looks exactly the same as this.
Can you tell us the letters?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Q, R, S, T, U, V. W, X, Y, and Z.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
We finished the iguana. Now we're gonna do the whale. Starting with the number 1, the water. 4, 6. And now 2 to the 3, 2 to 7. Now the 4, 5. We made the 6. Raph, put the 7. No, that's 7.
What's after 7? 8.
To 8.
Put 9. Put 9.
What's it?
Great. And
10.
yeah. Raph, what is this puzzle?
Kangaroo.
What's this?
Whale.
What's this?
Iguana.
This.
Snail.
What's this?
Ostrich.
What's this?
Iguana.
Hey, how many in total? Can we count them?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Great! How many puzzles do we have?
5.
5 puzzles. Christian, can you tell us the names of the puzzles? What are they?
Ostrich, snail, whale,
Kangaroo.
and iguana.
Hooray!
Thanks for watching. Bye bye, kids. Thanks for
Bye.
watching. Bye bye, kids.
Bye.